Hi, this is Ricky at PreschoolSpeechyPlus.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make adapted Cariboo cards on Lessonpix. This is Lessonpix.com. It's a fabulous site. It's only $36 a year for a membership, and it's so easy to make your own Cariboo cards. So basically what I do is I put pictures on this tray, and I'm going to search for cookies. I want to add cookies to the tray. There we go. All right, so for Cariboo you have to have 15 pictures, and I've got my pictures together, and I just finished up a whole holiday scene activity on Cariboo, which was on my previous video, and so now you get to see how I made it. Okay, so now I went into create materials, and I'm gonna go down to games, adapted board games, next. And I just check and make sure that I like all my words. You can change any of the words on here. So for example, if I want to change this to cold weather, I can, although I already have a cold weather, so I'm going to leave it winter. You can pick capitals or not. And next, and this is where you get to pick the type of game you want to do, and these are all the different kinds of games. There's Guess Who, there's Headbands, there's Zingo, and I'm making Cariboo. And you can pick your font, you can pick your box color, and we're going to finish it. Download as PDF, open it up, and it's done. Easy peasy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Really simple to make. Cariboo cards, the size is perfect. And one more thing you can do when you're in Lessonpix, if you want to see what is in the Sharing Center, you click on Sharing Center, you click on Cariboo, and here are so many Cariboo adapted card games already in the system for you, and you can pick anything. So for example, here's an opposites game, and all you have to do is download it and you've got it. All right, thank you so much. Hope this was a helpful video.